Welcome. Good morning to all. I am M. Hari Prasad, lecturer in Commerce, Government Degree College, Siddipet. So we are discussing about income from salaries chapter, right? So under this we have discussed so many things. What comes under head of salary, what comes under head of allowances, purchases, profit in lieu of salaries, section 16.2 and section 16.3. All the things we have discussed. Let us see the pro forma of income, computation of income from salary. Pro forma will be like this, heading computation of income from salary of 3 dash for the year dash. So pro forma will be like this, BRS pro forma, same as house property. So 4 heads we should have. First one, salaries, leave someplace, and second head, allowances, leave someplace. Third head, work visits, leave someplace. Fourth head, profit in lieu, LIEU, profit in lieu of salary. First one, salaries like basic pay, commission, etc. Total. Next one, allowances, entertainment allowance, host allowance, house rent allowance, like this. Total. Purpose, rent, free accommodation, medical, motor car, etc. Total. Profit in their salaries like pension, gratuity. So total of these 4, salaries, allowances, purposes, profit in their salaries, is known as gross salary. Gross salary. From gross salary, deductions under section 16. What are those? Section 16.2 and section 16.3. Section 16.2 is entertainment allowance. Section 16.3 is professional tax. After deducting these two, the net amount is known as taxable salary. This is the method of computation of income from salary, right? Let's do one example. Ravi is working in a limited company. Salary particulars. Basic pay 10,000 per month. DA 5,000 per month. Commission 5,000. EA means entertainment allowance 1,000 per month. Park visits directly given 40,000. Professional tax 1,000. Compute income from salary. Here, assessee is there, Ravi is working in a limited company's private employee. Salary particulars given, basic pay given, DA given, commission given, entertainment allowance given, perquisites directly calculated amount given, professional tax also given. With this information, he has to calculate income from salary. So, first we should know, is there any working notes? Yesterday we have discussed. Is there any working notes like entertainment allowance, rent-free accommodation, house rent, etc., etc. Here, entertainment allowance is there. So, entertainment allowance, when should whether he is government employee or private employee. For entertainment allowance, if he is government employee, we have to do working notes to know the exempted amount. In case of government employee, actual entertainment allowance received 10% of salary, 5,000 per annum, whichever is lowest. 20% of salary, 5,000 per annum, whichever is lowest, that is to be exempted, remaining is taxable. For private employee, there is no deduction, there is no exemption. Private employee exemption లేదు. In a private employee కదా exemption లేదు కాబట్టి వర్కింగ్ నోట్ అవసరం లేదు. మిగతా ఏం వర్కింగ్ నోట్స్ ఇక్కడ లేవు. నేను ఏం చేస్తాను, గో ఫర్ ప్రాబ్లం. ప్రాబ్లం ఫస్ట్ తీసుకుందాం. శాలరీ, సెకండ్ వన్ allowances, third one perquisites, fourth one profit in lieu of salary. One by one చదువుతూ పోదాం ఏది ఎక్కడ సరే. సో Ravi is working in a limited company. Salary basic pay 10,000 per basic pay comes under salary. Basic pay 10,000 per month means 10,000 into 12, that is 1,20,000. DA means dearness allowance. DA means dearness allowance. Allowances, it comes under allowances. DA, how much? 5,000 per month is 5,000 into 12, that is 60,000. Next, commission comes under salaries. Commission how much? 5,000. So into 12 need not to do because commission yearly once ఉంటుంది, monthly ఉండదు కాబట్టి into 12 వస్తుంది. Entertainment allowance, EA and allowances, how much? 1,000 per month means 1,000 into 12, 12,000. Perquisites directly given, perquisites 40,000. Professional tax not here, that's same. So salaries total 1,25,000. Allowances total 72,000. Perquisites total 40,000. There is no profit in their salaries. Total gross salary minus deductions under section 16 కదా, deductions under section 16, section 16(2), how much? Entertainment allowance. There is no any deduction for entertainment allowance because he is a private employee. Dash. Professional tax, section 16(3), professional tax given as 1,000. So 1,37,000 minus 1,000, that is 2,37,000 minus 1,000 is 2,36,000 This is taxable salary. Right? This is the method of doing problem. Suppose in case of limited company, let us assume he is a government employee in a government office. Government office. అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? గవర్నమెంట్ అనగానే ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ అలవెన్స్కి వర్కింగ్ నోట్స్ అవసరం. ఫస్ట్ వర్కింగ్ నోట్లో ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ అలవెన్స్ చేయాలి. ఈఏ వర్కింగ్ నోట్, వర్కింగ్ నోట్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ అలవెన్స్. ఎందుకు? ఈజ్ ఏ గవర్నమెంట్ ఎంప్లాయీ. యాక్చువల్ అమౌంట్ రిసీవ్డ్, యాక్చువల్ అమౌంట్ received. How much? 1,000 per month means 12,000. 20% of salary. 20% salary means only basic pay. Basic pay is basic pay how much? Here 10,000. Basic pay 10,000 into 12, 1,20,000. On the 20%, 24,000. Third one, 5,000 per annum, 5,000. Out of these three, lowest value 5,000. So exempted amount. ఇట్లా వర్కింగ్ నోట్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఇప్పుడు మెయిన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి. ఎన్ని మినిట్స్ అయింది? ఇప్పుడు మెయిన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఎగ్జామ్టెడ్ అమౌంట్ 5,000 we got. Then go for main problem. How many minutes? First, salary. Second, allowances time. Third, perquisites. Fourth, profit in their salaries. Basic pay comes under salary. 10,000 into 12, 1,20,000. DA comes under allowances. 5,000 per month into 12, 60,000. Commission salaries 5,000. EA allowances 1,000 per month, 12,000. Perquisites directly given as 40,000. There is no profit in it. This is 1,25,000, 72,000, 40,000. There is no profit in their salaries. Total this is known as gross salary. Gross salary minus deductions under section 16(2) entertainment allowance. How much reduction? Just now we have done in working note, that is 5,000. Section 16(3) professional tax given as 1,000. One lakh 31,000, 2,31,000 taxable salary. Right? One more example we will do that. Started up. Well, one more example we will do now. So we have to do, if working note is required, we have to do that working note initially, then we go to table, otherwise directly we can go to table. Let us do one more example here. So board is very small, that's why it's becoming very difficult. So sir, I'm writing important essential information only. Salary particulars. Government employee. So let us do one example here. A problem is there. An SSC from the following information, following particulars, compute the income from salary. So what has given salary particulars? So given basic pay given 20,000. Basic pay 20,000 given, DA given 10,000, bonus given 30,000, HRF given as 5,000 per month, entertainment is given as 5,000. He paid entertainment, he paid 2,000 as professional tax also given. He is working in a private sector, private employee, that we have to remember, and rent paid by him is 8,000. This is the information. From this we have to. So here two things are there. Entertainment allowance is there and house rent allowance is there. For entertainment allowance, if he is a government employee, working note is required. If he is private employee, no need of working note. He is a private employee, working note house rent. For house rent allowance, for house rent allowance we have to do working note, whether he is government or private. So let us do working note, house rent allowance. So here what is the method for calculation of house rent allowance? We have three things: actual HRA received, rent paid minus 10% of salary, and 40% of salary in case of other cities. In case of metro cities, 50% of salary. Has not mentioned the place, so we have to assume other place. So actual HRA received given as 5,000 per month, means per annum 60,000. Rent paid minus 10% of salary. Rent paid 8,000 given the problem. 8,000 into 12, 96,000 minus 10% of salary. Here salary means basic pay plus DA with retirement benefits. Has not mentioned with retirement benefits. So 2,40,000 into 10% is 24,000. So rent paid 96,000 minus 10% of salary 24,000, total 72,000. 40% of salary 2,40,000 into 40% is, that is 96,000. That is actual HRA received 60,000, rent paid minus 10% of salary 40,000, 40% of salary 96,000. Out of these three, lowest is 60,000, that is exempted amount is 60,000. After completion of house rent allowance working notes, we have to go for main table. So main table is computation of income salary of so and so for the year ending so and so. So four heads we have to take: salary, allowances, perquisites, profit and debt, salaries. Okay, so first one, after putting the four headings, we have to go the problem. What is problem? Basic pay 10,000, 20,000 per month, means per annum 2,40,000. DA comes under allowances, 10,000 into 12, 1,20,000. Next, bonus comes under salaries, 30,000, because bonus will be paid per annum, not per month. Next, entertainment allowance, 5,000 per month means 60,000. Next, HRA given as 5,000 per month, means per annum 60,000, means HRA received is 60,000. Exemption also 60,000, because just now we have done in working notes. 60,000 received, exemption 60,000, so balance nil. There is no any perquisites, there is no in profit and loss salaries. The salaries total 2,70,000. Allowances total 1,26,000. There is no perquisites, there is no in profit and loss salaries. Total is 3,96,000. This is known as gross salary. From gross salary, section 16(2) and section 16(3) will be deducted. Section 16(2) entertainment allowance. For private employees, there is no any exemption, because dash here. Professional tax is given as 2,000. 3,96,000 minus 2,000. 2,94,000 is the taxable salary of that particular SSC. Okay, right. Thank you very much.